The Bihari Gunda blowout. TMC's Mahua Moitra versus BJP's Nishikant Dubey. Dubey alleges Mahua used slur thrice during a parliamentary panel meet.
उनको माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी। इस तरह के देश तोड़क मानसिकता के पार्टी के लोगों के साथ ममता बनर्जी जी का क्या बिहेवियर होगा, आज वो देखने वाली बात है।
Mahua denies the charge.
Please check the attendance sheet. If that person who he claims I have called him a name, if he were present, then it would have been the 10th.
A political row with regional undertones explodes. TMC accuses Union Minister Hardeep Puri of using filthy language against TMC MP Shantanu Sen.
There are many witnesses here across political parties who saw the boorish hooliganism of a minister of the cabinet.
This will not go on record.
Top focus on To The Point this evening. Dignity of House compromised? And what about parliamentary decorum? On To The Point this evening. Good evening, you're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. So Mahua Moitra says that I didn't quite ever say it, which is call Nishikant Dubey a Bihari Gunda. On the other hand, the TMC says, in fact, it was Hardeep Puri who attacked Mr. Sen, an MP, Shantanu Sen, an MP of the TMC on the floor of the House. In midst of all of this, the Bihari Gunda tribe has exploded, especially in the regional sub-context.
Bihari Gunda. Amidst one of India's most turbulent parliament openings, that's the abusive phrase echoing in the August House. Meet the accuser, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, who says Trinamool MP Mahua Moitra called him a Bihari Gunda. He says that Mahua flung the abuse during a meeting of Parliament's Standing Committee on Information Technology. The two netas had been engaged in a heated exchange over Dubey's privilege motion against the IT panel's chief, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor. When India Today confronted Mahua with the allegation, she denied it, but not directly.
Is it true that this meeting unprecedentedly was called off because there was no quorum and no telecom or home ministry officials who you had summoned were allowed to come to the meeting, and you in turn called Nishikant Dubey a Bihari Gunda?
Rajdeep, I'm very amused at this. I've already tweeted about this.
Mahua says her accuser wasn't even present for the meeting, so there's no question of any name calling, but the BJP MP in question has countered her.
यदि बिहारी गुंडा कहा तो इसका मतलब यह है कि हिंदी भाषी लोगों के प्रति तृणमूल कांग्रेस का व्यवहार क्या है। यदि झारखंडी गुंडा कहता तो भी बात समझ में आती। और बिहारी गुंडा एक बार नहीं 3 बार कहा। ममता बनर्जी को खुद जो है संसदीय दल के नेता हैं, उनको खुद माफी मांगनी चाहिए। महुआ मोइत्रा को जो है पार्टी से सस्पेंड करना चाहिए।
Now I'm supposed to have called somebody a name. Please check the attendance sheet. If that person who he claims I have called him a name, if he were present, then it would have been the 10th. He would have been the 10th name. If he had been the 10th name, there would have been a quorum and the meeting would have continued.
The allegation may be amusing, but the Trinamool won't be smiling about the political heat it appears to have generated.
जो लोग भी अगर ऐसा बयान देते हैं तो ऐसा बयान नहीं देना चाहिए और कम से कम ये दुखद है.
Especially at a time when Mahua's boss is on a mission to unify the opposition under her, including in the Hindi heartland. Aggressively seizing the alleged insult, the BJP has accused the Trinamool of insulting all Hindi speakers and playing divisive politics.
बिहार के लोगों को गुंडा कहा जाए, ये 14 करोड़ बिहारियों का अपमान है. आज के बाद आरजेडी को जिन्होंने प्रचार किया था टीएमसी के लिए, बिहार के लोगों से माफी मांगनी चाहिए.
If Mahua Moitra really did unleash a Bihari Gunda tongue lashing at this BJP MP, it flows from similar language used for so-called outsiders during the Bengal election, a running cultural prejudice between the two states. Remember this?
China, China, বিজেপিকে চাই না, চাই না, চাই না, নরেন্দ্র মোদী চাই না, চাই না, চাই না, গুন্ডাদের চাই না। কিন্তু এরা বাইরের গুন্ডা, দিল্লির পুলিশ ভয়ে চাকরি ছেড়ে দিচ্ছে, মেয়েদের উপর অত্যাচার হচ্ছে।
As Mamta woos the Hindi parties, could this alleged abuse make things difficult? One thing's for sure, don't expect temperatures to fall anytime soon. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, viewers, the man who's making these charges that he was called a Bihari Gunda by Mahua Moitra not once, not twice, but 3 times over. BJP MP from Jharkhand, Nishikant Dubey, is joining us live. Nishikant जी, बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने का। मेरा पहला सवाल निशिकांत जी आपसे यही हुआ कि हुआ क्या? आपको कब बिहारी गुंडा बोला गया महुआ मोइत्रा ने?
मीटिंग की ही ये बात है जब हम लोग सभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी एनडीए के सांसद पहुंचे, और मेरा एक नियम है, पार्लियामेंट में संजोग से शाहनवाज जी बैठे हैं और हमारे बहुत पुराने मित्र हैं, मुझे उनके साथ भी काम करने का मौका मिला है। मैं आपको बताऊं कि जब पार्लियामेंट चलती है, सेशन चलता है, तो मैं किसी कमेटी मीटिंग में भाग नहीं लेता, मैं किसी कमेटी। और यही कारण है कि जब फरवरी के महीने में डिमांड्स ऑफ ग्रांट्स की बैठक हुई तो मैंने उस मीटिंग को जो है बायकॉट किया था। ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, इसीलिए दर्शकों को ये जानकारी होनी चाहिए कि कोई पेगासस या कोई डिस्कशन से भारतीय जनता पार्टी नहीं भागती, क्योंकि कमेटी के जो मुख्य काम है वो शशि थरूर जी नहीं करते हैं। कमेटी ने आज तक 2 साल में कोई टोर नहीं किया है, और कमेटी का जो डायरेक्शन 55(1) है स्पीकर का, उसके खिलाफ वो मीडिया को अनाप शनाप बयान देते रहते हैं। और कमेटी जब इन सेशन है, जब सरकार कह रही है कि हम पेगासस को भी डिस्कस करेंगे, फार्मर्स एजिटेशन को भी डिस्कस करेंगे, कोविड को भी करेंगे, प्राइस राइज को भी करेंगे, तो लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में डिस्कशन नहीं हो रहा है। राहुल गांधी लोकसभा और राज्यसभा नहीं चलने दे रहे हैं, तो ये बैकडोर से आप कैसे कर रहे हैं? इस कारण से हमने प्रिविलेज दिया था। हम जब सभी सदस्य पहुंचे, राजवर्धन राठौर पहुंचे, जफर इस्लाम पहुंचे, मैं आपको बता रहा हूं केवल कायदे से हुआ क्या, तो आप समझें कि जैसे ही कमेटी के चेयरमैन ने बोलना स्टार्ट किया, मैंने माइक लिया, मैंने कहा कि अध्यक्ष महोदय कि माफ़ करिएगा मुझे, कि पहले आप ये बताइए कि आपके पास कोरम है कि नहीं है। कोरम में केवल 8 लोग थे, 9 लोग ने जो साइन किया उसमें सुनीता दुग्गल जो नई सदस्य हैं उनको जानकारी नहीं थी, तो एक बीजेपी के भी सांसद ने उसमें साइन कर दिया है आपके संज्ञान के लिए। उसी पर से महुआ मोइत्रा ने, ये प्रोसीडिंग का पार्ट है, महुआ मोइत्रा जी ने स्टार्ट कर दिया और बिहारी गुंडा कहकर, देखिए मैं झारखंड से 3 बार का सांसद हूँ, यदि झारखंड गुंडा कहते तो कोई अस्मिता की बात नहीं होती।
जी एक सेकंड, निशिकांत दुबे जी, उन्होंने बोला है कि आप तो मीटिंग में थे ही नहीं, अगर आप होते तो कोरम होता, आप मीटिंग में थे ही नहीं, महुआ मोइत्रा तो ये कह रही हैं।
आप समझ नहीं, मैं लोकसभा का सदस्य हूं ना, कल मैं 2 बार जिस बात की बात कर रहे हैं, मैंने प्रिविलेज फाइल किया शशि थरूर जी के खिलाफ। आपको आश्चर्य होगा कि कल मैंने लोकसभा के रजिस्टर पर साइन नहीं किया शाम 6 बजे तक। इसका मतलब कि मैं वहां मौजूद नहीं था या मैंने बोला नहीं। मैं अपना पैसा जो 2000 रुपया मेहनताना मिलता है ना, उसको मैंने छोड़ दिया, इतनी ही बात है। आप फिजिकली मुझे किसी कमेटी में भाग लेने के लिए, लोकसभा और राज्यसभा का यदि मैं सदस्य हूं, तो मुझे साइन करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, मुझे केवल इलेक्ट होकर उस सदन में जाने की आवश्यकता है। इसीलिए वो 2 साल पहले आई है ना सांसद, अभी उनको बहुत नियम, मैंने तो चेयरमैन के बारे में कहा कि उसको नियम कानून नहीं पता है शशि थरूर साहब को कि प्रिविलेज कैसे होता है। उन्होंने आज ट्वीट करके कहा कि 25 आदमी खड़े ही नहीं थे, प्रिविलेज कैसे हो गया मेरे खिलाफ।
निशिकांत दुबे जी, ये तो बहुत अजीब है, अब कौन पता करे कि आप थे, क्योंकि आप कह रहे हैं आप थे, वो कह रही हैं कि आप नहीं थे। अब आगे क्या प्रतिक्रिया है आपकी?
मैंने आज नियम 316(b) के तहत जो अनएथिकल बिहेवियर है सांसद का, उसके खिलाफ आज मैंने पार्लियामेंट में मूव किया है मोशन। स्पीकर साहब उसको तय करेंगे और जो एथिक्स कमेटी तय करेगी वो करेगी। मेरा दोष केवल इतना है कि मेरे माँ पिताजी बिहार में रहते हैं, मैं बिहार का हूं, मुझे गर्व है बिहारी होने का। इस देश को बनाने में मजदूर के तौर पर बिहारियों ने योगदान दिया, और आज भी बंगाल में यदि पानी जा रहा है, चाहे मसानजोर डैम हो, तिलैया डैम हो, चाहे मैथन डैम हो, वो सब झारखंड के जमीन पर है। हम उनको पानी दे रहे हैं, उनका कोई जमीन विस्थापित नहीं हुआ। डीवीसी हो, कोल इंडिया हो, ये सारा चीज हमारा है, हमारा हेडक्वार्टर वहां है। आज भी बंगाल, बिहार और झारखंड के कारण ही चलता है ये देश। आज भी 40% से 45% रेवेन्यू रेलवे को बिहार और झारखंड ही देता है। जिस दिन झारखंड और बिहार देना बंद कर देगा, रेलवे बंद हो जाएगी। आज भी टाटा और बिरला यदि बड़े हैं तो वो हमारे माइंस, और यदि जमशेदपुर नहीं होता तो टाटा पैदा नहीं होते। इस देश में रोजगार देने का सवाल हो, आजादी के आंदोलन में भाग लेने का सवाल हो, चाहे
सिख धर्म, बौद्ध धर्म, जैन धर्म का सवाल हो, चाहे वैशाली गणराज्य का सवाल हो, चाहे मैं विक्रमशिला जो मेरा गांव है उसका सवाल हो, चाहे इस दुनिया में पहला वाइस चांसलर सिस्टम देने का सवाल हो। भगवान अतीश दीपांकर विक्रमशिला विश्वविद्यालय के वाइस चांसलर थे। हमने इस देश की दशा और दिशा को तय किया है, इसी कारण से बिहारी गुंडा है। लेकिन इनके कहने से हम बिहारी की प्राइड या हिंदी भाषियों की प्राइड खत्म नहीं हो जाती, और ये आरजेडी को, ये कांग्रेस को, ये बसपा को और सपा को अब समय देना है कि ममता बनर्जी का जो ये चेहरा बेनकाब हुआ है उसके साथ वो जाएंगे।
आपने तो बहुत एक पैशन कहते हैं ना बंगाली बिहारी प्राइड पे एक स्पीच दे दी है। बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने का, बट आई वांट टू जस्ट सेट दिस इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट बिकॉज देयर इज अ सब regional context to this as well, which runs deep with the cultures of Bihar and Bengal. It's not an easy relationship. Even when you are in either of the states, there is a fair bit of grouse where each community looks at the other. I want to cut across right now to our panelists. I have Saurav Sikdar, BJP spokesperson. I have Biswajit Deb, TMC spokesperson. Mr. Deb, has Mahua Moitra lied that Mr. Dubey wasn't there in that meeting? Because Mr. Dubey said that I was very much there. Was he there or was he not there? Did she say it or did she not say it?
Well, she made it very much clear that Mr. Nishikant Dubey was not present in the committee meeting, and the attendance sheet would reflect that whether he was present there at the meeting or not. A person, an MP who was not present at the committee meeting, how can he
Mr.
be
Dev,
abused?
he's saying it's a technicality. He's saying it's a technicality. I didn't sign that register.
No. He is making a totally false statement. Now let me say, it's the culture of BJP to use filthy languages against the opposition leaders. You see, Mr. Dilip Ghosh, the president of the West Bengal Bharatiya Janata Party, had made comments against Mamata Banerjee, our leader Mamata Banerjee, that a woman in a sari, how can she show her legs? Now, Hardeep Singh Puri has abused Shantanu Sen in filthy language in the Rajya Sabha. It is the culture of BJP. We do not believe in such culture. It is Hardeep Singh Puri who is lying, who is not making a true statement, who is not coming out with a true statement. He is trying to mislead the people of Bihar. He is trying to
Mr. Deb,
you're now
okay. Mr. Deb, in midst of he says, she says, you're forcing the media to now go to all those 9 members who've actually signed to find out whether Mr. Dubey was there and if Ms. Moitra said what she did.
Yes, the meeting did not happen. You see, the IT standing committee meeting, it was adjourned. It did not happen at all. How can he be abused? This particular member of parliament be abused when he was not present at the meeting?
All right,
the meeting actually did not take place.
Okay, Mr. Dev, can I bring in your counter spokesperson from the BJP?
This culture, 1 minute, just 10 seconds. This is the BJP culture, and this is what BJP has doing since long time.
Okay, sir.
And
you said that before. Okay.
Against Mamata Banerjee,
Mr. Sikdar, what?
I think, Preeti, first Mahua Moitra and Trinamool Congress should learn the preambles of India's constitution, that we the people of India. I mean, this Bohiragato, this is reflecting again that Bohiragato Tattva of Mamata Banerjee. That's all this Bihari, Gujarati, Marwari. Calcutta is the second home of every Bihari. We never differentiate in Bengal that who is Bihari, who is Bengali, who is from other caste. We all stay there peacefully. But this Trinamool Congress from last 6 and 7 years, they trying to divide between the caste, between the community. Now, if I ask my counterpart, Mr. Biswajit Deb, that now, unfortunately, previously people used to come to Calcutta or West Bengal for labor job. Now from West Bengal people go to Bihar for doing labor job. If they reciprocate the same, then their life is going to be in stay.
But Mr. Sikdar, the point, moot point is they are saying that she never said it. That it's a figment of Mr. Nishikant Dubey's imagination. That is what they're saying.
Let me give a rebuttal.
Okay, come in, sir.
Let me give a rebuttal. Let me give a rebuttal, Preeti. You see, now the BJP spokesperson has admitted that we welcome all the people from all states, even Biharis, Gujaratis. They form a big population in Calcutta, in Bengal, and it is under the Trinamool Congress rule, under the rule of Mamata Banerjee, that they are living peacefully and they are welcome here. And they are always...
Sir, let's go one by one. Mr. Sikdar, while Mr. Deb is speaking, please fix your audio. Yes, Mr. Deb.
Please let me complete. And it is under the Trinamool Congress government that all the people of the entire region throughout India, they are welcome to Bengal and they are working here, they are staying here. They are our brothers and sisters.
Sir,
we do not
Mr. Deb,
insult them.
with due submission, I have covered enough rallies during the Bengal election where the outsider tag was repeatedly raised, sir. And you and I both know better on the streets of Bengal the uneasy relationship between both sets. You know there are a lot of Bihari workers in West Bengal and it is an uneasy relationship. You have to admit the cultural context to your state.
Yes. No. They are our brothers and sisters. They live here peacefully. They live here cordially. And it is Mamata Banerjee, under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, that the West Bengal government gives them all the support. And we consider them as our brothers and sisters. They are our citizens.
Sir,
we do not disrespect them.
Sir, a lot of people would say the reality is very different, but okay.
The tag,
okay, sir, can I please? Okay, sir, I need to go back to Mr. Sikdar. He wanted to come in.
The outsider tag which has been given. You see, this is not the outsider. We have never said that they are outsiders. It is the people who do not understand the culture of Bengal.
Mr. Sikdar, go ahead.
To Bengal as daily passengers.
All right, okay, Mr. Deb, I want to go. I need to. Okay, Mr. Sikdar, you wanted to come in for a rebuttal. Go ahead, sir.
Well,
Mr. Sikdar, can you hear me?
No, it's fine.
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Yes,
go ahead.
No. Mr. Dev just want to twist my word. I just want to mention that this is a culture of West Bengal of brotherhood, that we all live here very peacefully. But from when Trinamool Congress government came, that deviation has been started. And just what I said earlier also, in that last election campaign, Trinamool Congress was they introduced the word Bohiragato. I mean, who is Bohiragato in West Bengal? Then today's Mahua Moitra's comment on Mr. Nishikant Dubey, that is reflecting the, Bohiragato Tattva again, where their Supremo Mamata Banerjee has started, Mahua Moitra is continuing the same. That Bihari Gunda, how come you say a Bihari Gunda? Is not a Bihar a part of India's pride? Is there contribution of Bihari?
But Mr. Sikdar, they are saying she never said it.
Never said so. The record will prove. The record will prove. The attendance sheet will prove. A meeting
okay, Mr. Deb, you've had your time, sir. Let him answer.
A meeting which did not take place. A meeting
Okay, we've heard you. Okay, Mr. Sikdar.
Which did not take place.
Mr. Sikdar, the TMC saying she never said it in the first place. Go ahead, sir.
Nishikant Dubey has just said on your camera just right now. And he's a senior parliamentarian, one of the senior leader. I mean, he is saying on your camera before the media.
So what? He is making a false accusation.
This is the character of Trinamool Party.
You see
gentlemen, I need to bow. Okay, gentlemen, with permission from the both of you, Mr. Deb and Mr. Sikdar, I'm going to bow out of this debate because what has really turned out to be a very, very curious case. What really happened? I would reckon now we have to go down to each of those 9 members who have actually signed to see whether Mahua Moitra used the word Bihari Gunda not once but 3 times over on Nishikant Dubey, and ask them, was Nishikant Dubey actually present in the meeting or not? Because Nishikant Dubey says, I was very much there. It was a technicality. I did not sign the register. Mahua Moitra said, I never said it because he was never present. There was no quorum. We're going to find out what really happened. A quick break to stay with us. Up next is Rahul Kamal.